What's going on? It's Katie here with KT Visuals, and today, rather than a tutorial, I'm actually going to give you a little tip and secret of where you can get free stock footage, transitions, effect, motion graphics, anything and everything that you need, all for free. So there's actually this website called Mixkit, and this is not sponsored or promoted in any way. Let me just say, I hope Mixkit someday or somebody does sponsor me. So if you see this video, hook it up. But let me just say that this website's super awesome, super dope. I needed some aerial shots of Miami for a video. I just needed like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. And so I didn't want to pay 50, 60 bucks for a little stock footage for 2 seconds. So I found this website in my research, and it's actually super dope. Since then, I've downloaded a bunch of motion graphics for real estate, a bunch of transitions for music videos, and again, it's all free. So it's super cool. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's the home page of Mixkit. I'm just gonna give you a little walkthrough so you have a rough idea on how to download things. So there's stock video, music, sound effects, video templates. You can also access those up here. You can go to templates specifically for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, whatever you want. There's also this search bar where you could type in what you want, whether it's music, sound effects, templates, and then you can type in exactly what you want. So instead of doing that, because you can figure that out, let's go down here. See, there's nature, drone shots, technology, different stock music. There's pretty much everything you need, and there's always view more as well. So it's super cool. So let's say I wanted to get a drone shot. So I'm gonna click on the drone shots, and you see there's this little home page with some city shots, some cool things, nothing specific, but I need an ocean shot for this video that I'm creating anyway. So I'm actually gonna steal this because I really like this ocean shot. So we're just gonna click on it. You can view it here, see what you like, read a little bit about it, and then you can just download the free video. And this little ad will pop up here because this is the website that they're connected to, where you do need a subscription, but there is a plethora of things that you can get from there as well. But again, if you're looking for free stuff, just stay on Mixkit. So as you can see, my drone shot downloaded. Super fast, super easy. It's an MP4, so all I have to do is drag and drop it into Premiere Pro, and we're good to go. I can use it for whatever I want. So that's it for this little secret I'm sharing with you guys. I hope this helped you out, and you can find anything and everything that you need. I would go through it more, but I figure you're about to hop on Mixkit anyway yourself and kind of discover what you need. So here's just a short little version of this to help you out and find the website in general, and I hope you have a great time with it. See you guys next time.